That's all that counts. Making some money. Oh, nice. Yeah, I think we're looking pretty bearish out here. Pretty freaking bearish. Okay, so the London trade. Why would it get stuffed out? Take profit. 6884. No, eh? I'm looking at I'm trying to look at this ES trade that I did. 654. Yeah. Yeah. Hmm. I see. It actually closed the trade. That makes sense. Yeah, it closed it. The AI decided to close it. It's just holding a NQ short right now, which I think will play out quite well. It's made a note of this area 24,700 to 670 as an area of interest. Let me see what else I got marked out here. Yeah, net gamma is quite high, so I'm thinking if we start breaking down, I have a feeling we're going to break down fast. Bro, it always has an update. Looking at our volume profile, I mean, no, I can't hear double. Oh, really? The whole system. Yeah, no, it's clean. It is very clean. For what? For the system. Uh, I'm gonna send you a new one because I've disabled that because everyone was using it because they should have all have their own accounts now. Try that one. Yeah, I think it was last night or something that I reset it. I removed the password because everyone should have their own accounts now. You know what I'm saying? Right. Okay. Where are we? Some big orders coming there. Yes. Not so much a Nasdaq. IQ's dumping. Absolutely dumping. What a banger. Where's the TP on this trade? TP. Let me have a look. Our charts. TP 675 is a TP. 675. So basically yesterday's low, which I'm pretty sure we'll just blow through it. Well, we should just blow through it. If you look at our options data, they should be trying to chase these moves. And it's the current week value area low as well. So it makes sense now if it wants to break lower, create a new value area low. Not seeing, yeah, not seeing a lot of large orders come in on the order flow chart, so doesn't look like they're fighting back. You know what I mean? Absorption at 680.34, 200 orders just went through there. So those are probably some stops. Something got hit over there at 6834. Okay. More absorption. Another 300 orders just got triggered at 6835. That's quite a lot. All on ES, nothing happening on NQ. Which makes sense because if you look at the options levels, SPX is the one with the high net gamma exposure. Oh, for real. So wait, they just have you banned, or what's the deal? Really? Yeah. Okay. Okay. I got you. Whoa, what a bounce back. What a bounce back. Yep. Lots of a lot of big orders coming in. So let's see. 400 orders just came in. Damn, that's a lot. Loads and loads of volume on that one. Okay. Yeah. Okay. That's wild. This is quite a nasty, nasty pullback. However, with that kind of reaction, I would do something like take a short over there at 866. See if we have new options data now. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Damn. Otherwise, you'll have to make more. I got you. Right. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it's cool, right? Yeah, it's cool. Bro, I just have these ideas like when I'm doing shit. That idea for the multi-agent thing I got from what XAI did with their new Grok 4.2. So they have like a multi-agent architecture, and I was like, wonder if that'll. Yeah, I was just curious to see what it would do for me. Yeah. Yeah, no, for sure. Okay, so my stop for ears I'm putting there. Taking this ear short on my live account. Do like it, but I'm positioned quite small, so obviously not one full mini contract. I'm doing micros. Nice. Man, there's a lot of buying on this leg up. Oh, a lot of orders going off. I don't know if it's buying specifically. The problem is with this Gex being so heavily skewed, this could be just market maker positioning. Do you know what I mean? They need to, yeah, they need to handle their whatever. I don't remember exactly what it's called, but um, yeah, yeah. So we'll see. This is quite a run up. That's for sure. Yeah, right. Damn. Whoa, there's a lot of orders, bro. That is crazy. And it's all coming in on ES. Like Nasdaq's just doing whatever ES does, it seems. Yeah. What is that? Yeah. Okay. Will you send me some? Yeah, send me some data on it and how that would work, and then yeah, we can definitely do a QE agent. Yeah, I don't know. We'll have to probably research it out a bit, I think. Yeah. 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 It's not too bad to do that. Yeah. I'm not feeling too amazed about my short, but not risking a ton. I already did take profit on my one short previous day low. So I'm playing with like 50% of my profits on this trade. So if I lose this one, then I'll just chill. Did we? Yeah. Mm. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yep. Yeah. That's wild. Yeah. Yeah. Damn. Damn, brother. Damn. Yeah. It's funny because, like, so obviously we're tracking the AI chart signals now. The win rate's 47%, but we've made like 1,700 points. But obviously it's only like barely even a week's worth of data. So okay. Mm. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Right. Right. Yeah. Yeah. Mm. Right. Yeah. Right. Yeah. Yeah. I got you. I got you. It's definitely better. You know what it is, bro. It's too much data for you to like sit 15 minutes before market open and try to figure out what you're gonna do. You know what I mean? Like it's not that AI is doing anything amazing. It's just crunching all this data so that we can look at all of it in like a sensible way. And obviously, with the historical agent, I mean that'll start to get good in time because basically I'm storing like bits and pieces of these reviews in like a vector database. So it'll be able to tell like, if things are similar, like what happened on that day. But that'll take time because that data needs to like collect. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, yeah, yeah. That'll take months to like pull that database up. So, mm, Yeah. 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 Options data. But yeah, well, definitely, I'm definitely curious to maybe play around with some of that pawn stuff and see what it tells us. Okay, so in profit on my trades, I'm gonna choke up these stop losses because this if my short on ES is gonna play out, it shouldn't be coming back up to these highs. If it does, then I don't really wanna mess with it. Yeah. Yo. Short trades swinging. It's fucking swinging, bruv. Yup. Yeah. Hey, look at you. That's funny, bro. Yeah, I do enjoy Grok. I use obviously use Claude a lot for super complex tasks. Right. Damn, really? Yeah. We shall see what happens. Okay, let's see. We should have had new review come in. NY Open review. No trade. High severity contrarian concerns on volatility exhaustion. Short squeeze risk from net short specs, GEX floor, hedging interception of PCR. And tiny, blah, blah, blah. So it's basically saying don't trade. Said bearish signals present but overshadowed by exhaustion risks and small historical data set. Okay. So it's basically saying, nah, don't do it. Don't do it, man. Let's see what ES says. That was on NQ. NY Open. Same thing. Oh yeah, that looks good. I mean, I'm going to hold my short. I'm not going to move it. Yeah. I mean, if we look at our order flow chart, I mean, look how many. Whoa, bro. 912 orders just went off at 6864. And then 600 just before that. Yes, there's like massive orders going off. NQ 228. That's wild. On wait, on NQ. They ran the daily low. Previous week lows at 791. Sure, that's a lot of orders popping off in that area. On ES 6865, 6859. Yep. Okay. Yeah. Well, I think I'm going to call it a day. Yep. Sounds good, man. Take it easy. Peace. Peace out.